Not Grace Mondlana being hospitalized for 8 nights. Hi, hi, Yusho family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. If you're new here, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. And I hope you will stay. But see what just happened to Grace Mondlana is shocking indeed. It's one of those unforeseen circumstances that just leave all of us shocked and confused. Not so long ago, but see Grace Mondlana was celebrating her dog's first birthday party. I am talking of cakes, but theme, but and other dogs were of course invited, and that birthday party went according to plan. And many influencers as well, they were there to celebrate Grace Mondlane's dog birthday party. And then before we can actually close our mouths about that, hayi ke sana, not Usisi coming back and giving us the skakla of the Ndabas, informing us that she was hospitalized for 8 nights after she had a very, very painful accident in her home. She's saying that she was walking downstairs and then suddenly she felt anxious and she fell. Hi, Sham. Sham, this is indeed too much and painful. And unfortunately, when she fell, she basically fractured one of her legs. And this was indeed painful. She says that she fell and collapsed on the floor. And the dogs kept on barking, and she finally regained a bit of consciousness. And then the helper ran to her and called an ambulance for her. She struggled to move her right and left legs, according to her. But it looks like the right leg got more damaged or broken compared to the other one. She then, but what is making people to talk so much? It's the fact that Grace Mondlane did a whole vlog, from the ambulance to her arriving at the hospital, to the doctors attending to her, to her friends coming in and seeing her or visiting her. She gave us everything. When I say everything, Grace Mondlane left no stone unturned. And people are, of course, talking about that, saying that Aisha Usisi, it's like she never rests. She keeps on giving us content even when she is having or in pain. And for Grace's defense, she came back and told us that she believes that she is recording a reality show of her life. So sharing such moments with us is what she does. And if we can remember, this is what she does for a living. Basically, she gets paid for this. So making content even when she's in such situations, to her it's normal because it's another way of gaining more and more viewers. Aisha, fortunate enough, she has been released from the hospital, but because she was, of course, discharged, and she is currently home waiting for her leg to heal. Please do leave your comments down below. What do you think about this trending news? That's it for today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.